Important news. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF has been accepted. This will have a huge impact on the market and will send crypto prices through the roof, especially Shiba Inu, which stands to gain a lot from a Bitcoin ETF. You need to see this if you are interested in Shiba Inus or if you have any Shib coins. What's new with the Shiba Inu coins? What is going on with the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF? What will happen to the value of Shiba Inus because of all this? Today in the video, I'll answer these questions and tell you about all the new information about Shiba Inus that will make them more valuable. There is a lot of information in this video that you should make sure you watch all the way to the end. Oh, and before we go any further, this station gives away 1 million Shiba tokens every day. All you have to do to enter is follow this channel, like this video, and leave a message with the hashtag Shiba Inu. Have fun. Let's look at the map and see what the price of Shiba is doing on November 23 RD before we get to our subject, shall we? Shiba Inu costs about 810 units right now. Shib's price has gone up 1.3% in the last 24 hours, and $126 million worth of deals have been made in that time. The token is also the 20th most expensive cryptocurrency right now, with a market cap of over $4.7 billion. Remember that these prices may have changed by the time you watch this movie. The information here is not financial advice. Also, click on the link in the description to check out our brand new Telegram account. There is a micro market cap gem that will go through the roof in value. Join the free group to learn more about the project. Let's watch today's movie. The Shib symbol blows up. The crypto community is going crazy over a 500% on-chain rise. A truly impressive effort on the chain. Shiba Inu recently made news in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency when there was an amazing 500% rise in on-chain transactions in just 2 days. This huge rise in whale activity, which includes trades of $100,000 or more, has brought a huge $40.93 million into the Shib ecosystem, which now holds an amazing $5.1 trillion tokens. Whale behavior as a market driver. It was recorded by the on-chain analytics platform Into the Block that there were a lot more transactions. The total daily transactions for Shib hit an impressive $6.38 trillion tokens, which is about $51.71 million. The sudden rise in activity on the blockchain has generated a lot of interest and talk in the cryptocurrency community about Shib's possible future market path, Shib's price rise, and how the market feels. At the same time that there were a lot of whale trades, Shib's price went up significantly. The token lost 8.2% during a dip, but it recovered amazingly and gained 6% over the next 2 days. This recovery put Shib's value back above the important level of 800 units per token, which gave its community and buyers new hope, looking at the future's possibilities. Now, everyone in the crypto community and among investors is closely watching to see if this rise in on-chain trades is a sign that Shib will continue to do well. The main questions are about how stable the token's price is and whether it can fully return from its losses earlier in the week. A big rise in whale trade suggests that people are interested in Shib again, which has led to guesses about what will happen next and a possibly positive market mood. Figuring out how long the trend will last. The next few days will be very important for figuring out whether Shiba Inu recent progress is just a short-term surge or the start of a long-term upward trend. As the Shib ecosystem grows, how it handles these sudden surges in large-scale trades will be closely watched. This could give us clues about the token's future and how stable it is in the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button if you are still watching. It doesn't cost anything and helps the station a lot. Keep watching, though, to find out what's new with Shiba Inu and what the coin's future might hold. Non-zero addresses pass a major milestone, which is good news for Shiba Inu. A rise of 15,000%. In its roughly 3 years of existence, the famous meme coin Shiba Inu has done a lot of great things. New data shows that the number of Shib wallets with a $0 has grown to $1.26 million. In February 2021, this amount was only $8,460, so this is a rise of almost 15,000%. Many things, like Shib's price rise during the bull run 2 years ago, helped the company reach this impressive milestone. In October 2021, the asset's market price went over $40 billion, which was its all-time high value. Different programs that Shiba Inu team has used to get more people to use the asset could also be increasing the amount of non-zero addresses. The burning device is one of these plans. As was said, in October Shiba Inu saw almost 1.5 billion tokens sent to an address that no one could get to. The burn rate for the meme coin project recently went up by 19,000% over 24 hours. Also, time rate could be important. It's possible that the fast growth of the meme coin over the last few months is due in part to Shiba Inu layer to blockchain solution Shib Rim getting even better. Since it opened in August, the network has already sped through a number of important steps. It has had more than 4 million transactions, and the number of names is getting closer to 1.3 million. But stay tuned, because we're about to show you what else has been going on with the Shiba Inu coin and how this will affect the project's value in the short and long run. DEX Marswap, which is based on Shib Rim, makes a big news about Shiba Inu ecosystem tokens. Decentralized exchange based on Shiba Inu Marswap now has a new way to trade Shiba Inu ecosystem tokens like Bone, Leash, and more. Marswap, a Shib Rim-based decentralized exchange and DeFi platform, recently tweeted that it would be adding more support for Shiba Inu ecosystem coins. This is a very big deal. A new announcement says that the biggest decentralized market has added a new trading pair called Leash Bone. We just added a new trade pair called Leash Bone in the last few minutes. This is another way that we are growing and supporting the Shib ecosystem on Shib Rim, Marswap said. Since the news, people in the Shiba Inu community can easily trade their Leash tokens for Bone on the Marswap decentralized exchange. Both Leash and Bone are official Shiba Inu ecosystem tokens, which is something that should be said. The marketing lead for Shiba Inu Responds, Lucy, who is in charge of marketing for Shiba Inu, had something to say about the news. Lucy talked about the change and said that the new Leash Bone trade pair on Marswap shows the spirit of Shib Rim, which is Shiba Inu blockchain layer. As of now, Marswap is the best DEX on Shibarian. Marswap is currently ranked as the best decentralized Shib Rim market, even though it just started up this year. Marswap is responsible for $347,069 of the $676,719 worth of value that is locked on Shib Rim. It's now time for the video's main story. Bloomberg experts think that the launch of spot Bitcoin ETF, Shiba Inu, Pepe, and other cryptocurrencies will lead to a rise in value. Spot Bitcoin ETF is still making waves in the cryptocurrency world while everyone waits for the US Securities and Exchange Commission to rule. Analysts at Bloomberg are sure that the SEC will accept all of the spot Bitcoin ETF that are on its desk. Because of this, experts think that Shiba Inu, Pepe, and a new coin called Everlarge will go through the roof after the start. 47,000% more Shiba Inu burn rate than before. It's back in style. Shiba Inu, the coin with a Shiba Doji theme, is very popular again. The Shiba army bought a lot of Shiba Inu tokens on November 21. Shiba data shows that Shiba Inu burn rate went through the roof by 47,872%. There were more than 28.12 million Shiba Inu coins burned. When the Shib community burns tokens aggressively, they're trying to lower the number of tokens available and make them scarce. The price of one Shiba Inu coin has been between $819 and $908. Even though it burns quickly, the price of Shiba Inu has dropped by 3.5% in the